Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been many months since I have posted a video, but I'm back. And so today I wanted to show you how to do a vision book. Here is the one that I have already started for myself for 2023. So this is just, this is an A4 document that I have here. And this is the title, 2023 Vision Book, Michaela. And the next page is the index. So I have shown you how to make a vision board, but this year I thought I would go with a vision book. I got this idea from Pinterest, so I thought it would be a really good idea to try it out. Once I'm finished with it, I'm going to be downloading it to my iPad in the GoodNotes app, and I'll be able to, download this as a PDF file, and all of these hyperlinks will work. So I just name the section like Dream Pets, and then I added a hyperlink, and I'll show y'all how to do that soon. And it will take me to Dream Pets, which I already have gotten this. This has already come true. So, all right, let's move on. We'll start brand new. So let's go to create a design. I'm going to go to an A4 document just because I want to. You can make it whatever size you want to because it's a vision book. It's no one can control you. And I'm going to name it 2023 Vision Book. I don't know. Demo. There we go. So this is the title page. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another page here. And we'll name this the cover. We'll name page 2 the index, and then I'll have another page here. So how I like to start off is to find something cute for the cover page. I want you to think of this as basically a magazine that you're creating of everything that you want, and you just flip through it when you want to be happy. I really like the galaxy look. I mean, you can't really go wrong. The only thing is when you start to stretch it out here, how does it look? Boom. Ooh, that looks good. Cool, that's nice. Okay, so this is what the cover looks like. I'm gonna go to elements. I'm gonna click on shapes. I really like this curved edge square. I'm not feeling this color. Looks better. I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna pick a color. You can make it as aesthetically pleasing as you want. I'll just do some crazy stuff so you can kind of get the idea. This is just gonna go. Yeah, I don't like the color still. It's good enough. I really like burgundy. Alright, now we've got a box, and we're gonna go to text, and I've added a text box here. So this is where I'm gonna just type what it is. Here we go. Let's change the font to something a little more bold. Yeah. Here we go. I feel this. I'm feeling this. This is the easy part, but there you go. There is the cover. Beautiful. Here's the index. I'm just gonna make the page. Yeah, I actually like when the page is black. That makes me happy. Index, and let's see. I will go ahead and do a duplicate of this and just kind of drag it down to the next page. If y'all didn't know, you can do that. We're going to name this the index. This actually would be very helpful also if you wanted to make your own digital planner or notebook. Yeah, so the index, and then here's the first page. So I'm going to name this Dream Pet. And then what I'm going to do is duplicate this, and we'll name this Dream Pet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click these three dots. I'm going to click link. And now that I clicked link, it gives me options. So I'm going to link it to page number 3. And hit done. And now, if you go to the bottom and hit these 2 expansion arrows, you can click. Well, you can see, it took me to the page. That was so anticlimactic because there was nothing there. Let me put something on the page. Oh, a beautiful baby Herman's tortoise. Okay, here's a Herman's tortoise. Let's make this my dream pet. I love it. Yeah, I like it. I think that it's different. It's beautiful. Here we go. This is a different species. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Alright, here we are. We're going to try that again. Alright, now that we're on the index page, I'm going to click Dream Pet. It took me to the Dream Pet page. You have a successful hyperlink. Now, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to delete these. So what I actually like to do for these books is now that I have a page, I'm going to do another one here. And I'm going to name this like Dream Body. This one's going to be Dream Wardrobe. This one will be Dream Car. How about that? And, you know, you can just keep going. I think I'll do one more. So we'll do the Dream House. I would love an A-line cabin in the woods, honestly. That's my dream house. So this is the cover. This is the index page. I'll show you how to do another one. So I'm going to duplicate this. You can tell it's got the link still because it's underlined. So what I can do is click it, and I can delete the link. And what's the next one? Dream Body. And I'll just change it to Body. And then I will click it, click the 3 dots again, click link. I'll go down. I will click page number 4, Dream Body, and we'll hit done. Now I can click on Dream Body, and it takes me to the blank page. What if I click on Dream Pet? Oh, they're both blank because I got rid of everything. That's how you do the hyperlinks. This is the foundation of your vision book. Now, come back for part 2 to see me fill this book up with some images and finish doing the hyperlinks so you can really get the idea. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, check out part 2. That'll be out soon. And yeah, I hope this helps you guys plan for 2023, and I hope all of your dreams come true. Happy creating!